Welcome to everyone. This is Muzi. In this session, this 2 weeks program will. In this 2 week program, we are going to learn about aircraft production technology. Okay, in this session, we are going to learn about the casting and welding techniques, different types of casting techniques. First of all, in this session, we are going to learn about manufacturing techniques and the different types of moldings. In this whole 2 weeks program, we are going to learn about different types of castings and welding techniques, like various types of moldings, various types of moldings using in the aircraft industries, that is casting process involved in sand casting, different types of casting process like sand casting, die casting, centrifugal casting, investment casting, and shell molding casting. And we are going to learn about extension of that one. We are going to learn the welding processes, different types of welding processes in nowadays we are using arc welding, gas welding, resistant welding, laser welding, EBM welding, EBM electron beam welding, electron diffusion molding, soldering and brazing techniques, different types of patterns. These are things in this in this 2 weeks program we are going to learn. First of all, we are going to start with the basics of manufacturing. What is manufacturing? What are the molds? Different types of molds. We'll see now. What is manufacturing? Coming to the manufacturing, manufacturing nothing but converting a raw material into a product. That means if there is a product like a steel, like a steel, aluminum, or a composite material, aluminum, composite material, any raw material will be there. Wood, different types of materials are available in our nature and in all over the world. So different types of materials like wood, steel, aluminum, iron, composites, alloys, different types of materials will be there. These materials, these raw materials, you have to convert into a product, that is useful product, whatever which industries you are going to use. That means a raw material you are going to make a product which is useful to the industries and human beings. So that is called the manufacturing. In this manufacturing, different types of processes will be there. We will learn one by one. And manufacturing process involves the following things, that is the design of the product. I already mentioned that manufacturing is converting a raw material into a product. So and in this one, manufacturing is involves in the design of the product, selection of the material, sequence of the process through which the product will be manufacturing. That means the sequence, the which product you are going to manufacturing, okay, that is involves in this one. And selection of material and the design of the product. Manufacturing, in the manufacturing, mostly two things we have to make sure, that that is selecting of the material and properties of the material. These two things, these two are very important factors in the manufacturing. First of all, we have to select a good material for our product, and the properties, select a good properties of the material. Proper different types of properties are there. We know that thermal properties, physical properties, chemical properties, different types of properties will be there, like that, which we have to select a good material, which properties we needed. So in this one, I will explain selecting of material, why it is very crucial. For example, if you take, you are using you are doing a manufacturing, or you are doing a product for aircraft wing. Aircraft wing, you are doing a, your product is aircraft wing. For aircraft wing, to making an aircraft wing, you need alloys or composite materials. Titanium, nickel alloys or composite materials, metal matrix composite, these types of things is needed. There is no need of plastic, thermoplastics, and different types of wood. These types of materials is no needed, because we need a very strong material for aircraft wing. So selection of material is based on your product, which for example, your product is water bottle. For water bottle, you can choose plastic. For classroom chairs, you can choose wood or steel. So the material, selection of material also takes more important. Why? Because based on the selecting of the material only, product which manufacturing process you are choosing, it is important. Okay, based on the material selection, based on the properties of material, it will indicate which manufacturing process you are going to do. So selecting based on these two only, next manufacturing which type of molding, which type of welding is suitable for the material you are going to choose. So the manufacturing involves selecting of material, properties of materials is important. Okay, different types of properties, we know that that is thermal properties, chemical properties, physical properties, different types of so many electrical properties, mechanical properties, different types of properties are there. Now we'll go for molding. What is molding? Molding is one of the manufacturing process which will be shapes a liquid or malleable raw material by using a fixed frame. Understand? Molding is a manufacturing process that involves shaping a liquid or malleable raw material by using a fixed frame. This is molding. There are different types of moldings are there. That is injection molding, blow molding, rotational molding, compression molding, and transfer molding. Okay, in this session, first we will start with injection molding. Next, upcoming sessions, we will learn the blow molding, rotational molding, compression molding, transfer molding. We'll see now injection molding. This is a injection molding setup. This is injection molding machine. In this machining, there are two. Again, there are we can say two types. Okay, we can derive. We can define two halves. One half is known as clamping. One half is known as injection. One half is known as clamping. One half is known as injection. In the clamping, first of all, in the clamping, we have mold cavity, and mold part. Okay, mold cavity and the molded part will be there in the first half. Next, in the first half, what is the your product, and that product's mold part will be in the first half. Mold and mold part will be, mold cavity will be in the first half. That is called clamping. In the injection, we are having barrel and hopper. Okay, barrel will be rotatable part. Okay, barrel is rotating. You can see in the in the figure, barrel is a rotating part. Okay, it will be rotating. It is be attached to a hopper. In the hopper, we are going to place our raw material. Okay, for example, you are choosing a plastic raw material. Now you are going to place raw plastic material in the hopper. That material will be sent to the barrel. The barrel will be rotates, and it will be becomes liquid, not pure liquid. It will be a semi liquid, not solid, not liquid. It will be in a semi liquid. After that, it will be passes through that barrel. Okay, that will be becomes molten plastic. That molten plastic will be sent into the mold part. Okay, that molten plastic will be sent to the mold part, and it will be at a certain temperature. Which part we are going to do depends on that product, depends on that part. We are having applying a some pressure. Barrel will be apply some pressure from 70 megapascals to 250 pascals. We are going to apply on the part. With that pressure, we can get finally mold product. Okay, that is the process happening in the injection molding. Okay, injection molding pressure usually ranges 70 megapascal to 200 megapascals. We know that using this injection molding, we can do the products like containers, cups, housings and tool handles, knobs, electrical and communication components, and toys. Different types of these types of products we can do using the injection molding. Injection molding process is same, remains the same, but different types of injection moldings also there. We'll see that. Now there will be cold runner two plate mold will be there in this injection. Here we have mold. We told that molds will be there. In injection molding, you can see, observe, this is mold. This part is called mold. This is mold part, and this is mold cavity. Now this is mold. There in this mold, we can use the different types of molds like cold runner two plate mold, cold runner three plate mold, hot runner, you can hot runner mold, cold runner mold. Different types molds you can use, but the process remains same. Depends on the product you are going to use this two plate mold or three plate mold or a hot runner mold. Now, in injection molding, again there will be two types. Okay, that is, one is reaction injection molding. Another one is structural form molding. Reaction injection molding, structural form molding remains, the process remains same in the, as we discussed in the injection molding, but the pressure will different in the reaction injection molding, structural form molding, and the products different products will be there. In reaction injection molding, we will do, with the help of reaction injection molding, we will do some products. Structural form molding, we'll do some products. We'll see what are the applications of the reaction injection molding and the structural form injection molding. With the help of reaction injection molding, the process remains same. Remember that the reaction injection molding and the structural form molding, the process remains same, but the applications of the two different types of injection moldings is different. For reaction injection molding, that applications are, we are doing automotive bumpers and fenders, and thermal insulations for refrigerators and freezers, and water skins, stiffness for structural components. These are the applications we are, these are the applications and the products we are doing with the help of reaction injection molding. With the structural form molding, we are doing products made or furniture components, which are made up of furniture components, TV cabinets, business machines, housing, storage, battery cases. These are the types of products which will be done through the structural form molding. This is only the difference. The process remains same, injection molding. Okay, these are the injection molding. Next class we are going to learn about the blow molding. Thank you everyone.